क्या आप जानते हैं कि उत्तर प्रदेश का एक ऐसा जिला भी है जो कभी जाट शासकों के मजबूत किले, व्यापार और समृद्ध संस्कृति के लिए प्रसिद्ध था। आइए आज हम चलते हैं हाथरस की ऐतिहासिक यात्रा पर और साथ साथ आसान अंग्रेजी भी सीखते हैं। Our journey begins in Hathras, a historic district located in western Uttar Pradesh. The history of Hathras is closely connected with the Jat rulers, especially Raja Dayaram, who transformed the town into a strong fort and an important trading center during the 18th and early 19th century. The famous Hathras fort became a symbol of courage and prosperity, although the British later captured the fort. The district continued to grow as a center of trade and culture. Talking about its boundary, Hathras is surrounded by Aligarh in the north, Mathura in the west, Agra in the southwest, Etawah in the east, and Kasganj toward the northeast. It located has connected the district with the cultural and commercial roots of the Burj region for centuries. Now that we have explored its historical roots, let's meet the personalities who gave Hathras its identity. The most celebrated name in Hathras history is Raja Dayaram, remembered for his bravery leadership as resistance against British expansion. Under his rule, Hathras became one of the strongest Jat states in the region. Even today, his contribute is remembered with pride, and he remains an inspiration for courage and self-respect. History tells us about people, but geography explains why this land became so important. Hathras lies in the fertile plains of western Uttar Pradesh and covers an area of around 1750 square kilometers. The district experiences a subtropical climate with hot summer, a pleasant winter, and monsoon rains. Agriculture is the backbone of the economy, with wheat, bajra, mustard, potato, and sugarcane being the major crops. Good road and railway connectivity make Hathras an important link between Delhi, Agra, and other nearby cities. The land supports the people, while culture reflected their tradition and way of life. The culture of Hathras beautifully represented the tradition of the Braj region. Festivals such as Holi, Janmashtami, Diwali, and Raksha Bandhan are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Braj folk music, devotional songs, local fairs, and traditional cuisine bring color to everyday life. Hindi is the official language, while Braj Bhasha is widely spoken, perceiving the district's rich culture identity. After understanding its culture, it is a time to explore the palace that attract visitors throughout the year. The historic Hathras Fort remains the district's most famous landmark, reminding visitors for its glorious past. Moti Bazar is well known for its traditional markets and local products. Several ancient temples across the districts reflected its deep spiritual heritage. Because Hathras is located close to Mathura, Vrindavan, and Agra, many travelers include it in their Braj tourism circuit, making it an ideal destination for history and culture lovers. Hathras is more than just a district. It is a land of brave rulers, historic forts, fertile fields, colorful festivals, and rich tradition. Its unique blend of history, culture, and commerce makes it an important part of Uttar Pradesh heritage. If you want to discover destination beyond the usual tourist map, Hathras is definitely worth exploring. Thank you.